The universe is a noisy place. From the roar of supernovae to the hiss of quasars, there is a symphony of sound all around us. But we can't hear it. That's because most of the sounds in the universe are too low or too high for our ears to detect. But with the help of special instruments, we can listen to the cosmos and learn a lot about it. For example, we can use sound to study the birth and death of stars. We can also use sound to map the structure of galaxies and to search for exoplanets. The sounds of the cosmos are a window into a world that we can't see. They are a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe, and they are an inspiration to us all.